The broken bridge. The old stone bridge had stood for centuries, but for Ava, it was a place of memories, memories of love and loss. She stood at the edge, staring into the rushing river below, remembering the night everything had changed. Lucas, her lover, had promised to meet her here. They had planned to run away together, to start a new life far from the suffocating expectations of their families. But the storm had come, and with it, disaster. Ava had arrived at the bridge, soaked to the bone, waiting for Lucas. When he finally appeared, the rain had made the stones slick. In the chaos, Lucas had slipped, falling into the river below. Ava had screamed, reaching for him, but it was too late. The current had taken him away, and with it, her dreams of a future together. Years had passed, but the wound was still fresh. Ava visited the bridge often, haunted by the what-ifs. What if she had arrived earlier? What if she had held on just a little tighter? The guilt and grief had consumed her, and she could never let go of that night. One evening, standing at the bridge as the sun set, Ava realized that she had been trapped in that moment for too long. Lucas was gone, and no amount of wishing would bring him back. The bridge had become a prison for her, a symbol of a past she could never change. With tears in her eyes, Ava made the decision to walk away for the last time. She would never forget Lucas, but she knew she had to start living again, for herself. Life lesson. Time does not heal all wounds, but it allows us to grow beyond our pain. Holding on to the past can prevent us from embracing the future. English lesson. The phrase what ifs is an example of a compound noun, which refers to hypothetical or imagined situations. It's often used when discussing regret or alternative outcomes.